So I finally upgraded to the iPhone 17 Pro, and obviously the first thing I'm doing is vlogging my weekend trip to Calgary. I'm joined by my crew, my friends Lisa and Dasha, and my girlfriend Zina. We're here for good coffee, great food, and some fun spot to goof around. Oh, and this little thing just arrived right on time, so of course I had to taste it out too. Alright, let's start with the Comandante competition. So this competition is why we are here. I signed up for fun and received a welcome package with all the good stuff. And honestly, it's so worth it. So about this competition, basically, everyone uses the same grinder and brewers to make the same coffee in 8 minutes. Then, 3 judges pick their favorite cup, and whoever gets the most votes moves on to the next round.
My turn. Yeah, they're tasting my coffee. Tastes good, tastes good, tastes good, tastes good.
3, 2, 1, point. Jill as the head judge, her choice is what wins.
Damn.
Number 1, take home!
So competition is done so fast. I'm free now. 2 times in a row that 3 judges picked 3 different cups. That's so funny. Oh my god, my girls are here.
Vitamin D, bro.
You really look like sweet beef jerky. This is a very good one, the corn. And the chocolate flavor is really good too.
This is coffee we brought from home, even though there's coffee inside.
At 5:15, we have a brew bar, so we're going to brew some coffee for everyone. Rogue Wave Coffee. That's the bean for now.
Are you gonna do milk?
Yeah, we're gonna do milk. We are almost done here. We're just chilling here, waiting for flight, and we're going to eat Thai food. Oh, yeah, and Dasha. Sorry, Dasha. I really, 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 really love coffee. Making coffee just makes me happy. And making new friends. I love that in coffee when I brew at the brew bar with Dasha. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. I love coffee. I love coffee. I love coffee people. I love my friends. I'm just so happy. Okay. We find a ladybug. This is 0.5 micro lens. Let's see. Hello. Oh, hello, hello, hello. You coming? You coming? Okay. I see a balloon there. It's here. Damn. Good phone. Okay, 4. Here. 2. 1. And 0.5. A beautiful face. Oh, by the way, about the result of the competition.
And number 1,
And yes, the winner is a girl. We're so proud and happy. I see my picture. Thanks for grabbing my photo. Wow, I look awesome. Did you find the moon? I find the moon. So good. Okay, Thai Siam. No?
Full reserve. All reserve.
Oh no.
We can just call for another time.
We're going to do Chinese now. Wow. Is everyone happy? Everyone loved the Chinese food. Now we are come to a new ice cream place. They have very, very good flavor. It's called Milk Ice Cream Club. Is it yummy? Affogato. A warm ice cream. That's what she wants. Better together! Yay! Now we sit in the car, eating ice cream. Do you like the ice cream?
Nice, yeah. But I think the pandan is my favorite. I just love coconut, anything coconut.
Yeah. What's pandan? Why is it green?
It's a leaf.
Oh, it's a leaf. I didn't know that. I thought it was a bread. Because at the market it's all pandan is bread.
Village of Meseth. I think the lychee is too much.
I like my first bite, but then it's just way too powerful.
The lychee tastes like those canned lychee, artificial flavor lychee. And the osmanthus is not much. You can see them, but not much.
I mean, we know that it's hard to extract the osmanthus flavor.
Yeah. Chinatown drinking. My coworker Emily recommended us a very, very good cocktail bar.
Like from the picture you showed me, it looks
like somewhere here.
here.
I think it's somewhere. The black one? It's actually this one. It's so funny. 2024 best bars. It's such a hidden bar. So this bar is hidden in the basement in Chinatown. You go through a couple doors and suddenly you'll find yourself in this chill Vietnamese tropical vibe. The cocktails are very creative. And honestly, everything we ordered that day was pretty good. So good. Cucumber sauce, so good. So boozy. I love it. But this pick of the leek martini. This is salty. Look the ingredients. I mean, brine and MSG. I don't think we're ready for that. Do you want to reorder one? No. Good morning. This is Sunday. Today we're going to have fun and I mainly use my iPhone to shoot. Now we're at a very famous cafe, Phil and Sebastian, for some coffee and a very good bakery here. It's called the Sidewalk Citizen. Carrot cake, egg bun. I like this place. Bookstore. This is so cute. That's different. We are in danger. This is noodle language. This is ba. None of those are correct. Look at what Lisette got. This bookstore is gorgeous. Used book downstairs.
Hiding from you.
Did you find something you like?
I found lots of things.
What? Like what?
Most of the things I found I already have. But I found pretty editions of them.
You got a book? What's the book?
It's the memoirs of Isabel Allende. It's a Chilean writer.
Okay, cool.
Bills, but whatever.
It's good. Now we are at the most famous library. I heard it's very beautiful inside. And let's see the little thing. It's so cute. So cute. Damn. Ooh. That's cool. Dasha, we are not here to look at books. We find some adamant yellow pages. Zena wants to find her parents in the book. Okay, Zena finding her daddy. D'accord. J.
Richfield. We used to live there.
That's very cool.
4698277.
That's so cool.
That's so cool.
You find your dad on the book. What do you think?
I think it's amazing. It's amazing.
It's worth visiting. Yeah. Show me your nose. After library, now we're coming to see an inside garden. It's called, what's the name? Devonian Garden. So this is on the 4th floor of this shopping mall. Huge. The whole 4th floor is this garden. You can come here, eat, chill, whatever. It's very nice. I like it. I love greens. Okay, now let's go to Monogram Coffee. because that's my last chance. I've never been to Monogram before. It's a shame. If I don't go this
Shame
time,
on you.
I won't be able to. More coffee! Yay! I ordered a flat white. Look at this. It's a swan. Manager, what do you think about the flat white? I really like the batch brew. It's so good. And the flat white? It's sweet. Hojicha slushy? Yummy. All the way. 24 times. Damn. Okay, back. Baby Crush, no, Crush cider is the best. Uncommon. This place is so busy. Now it's almost 5 o'clock on Sunday. The waiting hour is an hour and a half. When we were just sitting there thinking of where should we go, the guy's like, they got a cancellation, so we got our table. Lucky! This is my cod. Sichuan chicken. This is California? Yeah, the offer is of the California. So nice. The Sichuan chicken one is so yummy. I think it's just spicy, but the numbing, I think it's a little bit, not much numbing, but still good, very good. The burger place is so good. I didn't finish, but because I'm sick. That's our last stop. Highly recommend the burger place and all those places we went. It's awesome. And I had such a fun time with my friends. I love my friends. What I can say, I love my friends. This is my last trip before I leave.
Now you wanna that I wanna cry? No.
You wanna cry? No, I'm not gonna cry. But I love my friends. I'm not drunk. See you in next video. Bye.